On March 20th, Microsoft's head of Windows, Pavan Davuluri, shared a major update about how the company plans to improve Windows 11 throughout 2026, but let's be honest, many users are skeptical. Over the years, Microsoft has made promises that didn't always go as expected. In fact, when users were asked whether they trust Microsoft to follow through, a majority said they would believe it when they see it. So now the big question is, when will these improvements actually reach everyday users? Here's what we know so far. The initial announcement was mainly targeted at the Windows Insider program. Microsoft confirmed that new features and improvements would start appearing in Insider preview builds from March and continue through April. That means early testing has already begun, but only for insiders, not the general public. Now, there's an important update from Scott Hanselman, a vice president at Microsoft. When asked when users would start seeing real changes, he responded, "This month and every month this year." This gives us a clearer picture. Microsoft is likely testing new improvements with insiders first, starting in March and April. After that, these updates will gradually roll out to regular Windows 11 users throughout 2026. However, this won't happen as one big update. Instead, Microsoft will use a controlled rollout approach. New features will first appear in optional updates released near the end of each month. Then, they will become standard updates in the monthly Patch Tuesday releases, which happen on the second Tuesday of each month. This gradual rollout helps Microsoft ensure stability and fix issues before features reach everyone. So overall, 2026 looks like a year where Microsoft is focusing on steadily improving Windows 11 month by month, rather than all at once. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.